At Orbbo, botanical excellence is engineered through control, consistency, and compliance. Our Brahmi Bacopa Monnieri powder is manufactured through a structured, export-oriented processing system developed to deliver reliable potency, safety, and formulation performance for nutraceutical, herbal, and functional food industries worldwide. Cultivation begins at verified farms operating under sustainable and traceable agricultural frameworks. Bacopa Monnieri crops are monitored throughout their growth cycle to support optimal leaf density and bioactive development. Harvesting takes place only at full maturity, when bacoside levels and plant vitality reach their natural peak. The selected material is subjected to a multi-stage hygienic cleaning process designed to eliminate soil, foreign particles, and surface contaminants. Drying is performed under carefully regulated temperature and airflow parameters. This controlled dehydration phase is designed to protect naturally occurring bacosides, characteristic green color, herbal aroma, and functional integrity. Once moisture levels are stabilized, the dried Brahmi is processed using food-grade grinding technology to achieve a fine, uniform powder suitable for capsules, tablets, extracts, and bulk blends. Precision sieving standardizes particle size distribution, ensuring batch-to-batch uniformity and smooth processing performance in finished formulations. Advanced sterilization techniques are then applied to ensure microbial safety without compromising bioactive integrity. Each production batch undergoes comprehensive laboratory testing, including microbial safety verification, heavy metal analysis, moisture content validation, active marker, consistency assessment. Only material that meets Orbbo's strict internal benchmarks is approved. The finished organic Brahmi Bacopa Monnieri powder is packed under controlled conditions, securely stored, and distributed to markets worldwide. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurtured through sustainable practices, uncompromising food safety, consistent quality assurance, and zero pesticide use. All with a touch of care and dedication. We are Orbbo.